Beston BLL-30 fully continuous pyrolysis equipment achieves 30 days of continuous operation through 3 core technologies, enabling the disposal of 6,000 tons of waste plastics or 10,000 tons of waste tires annually. Oil gas anti-polymerization condensation technology. By rapidly condensing the oil and gas, this technology effectively prevents pipeline blockages, enabling ultra-stable operation for 30 days and eliminating frequent shutdowns and maintenance. Heat smoke recirculation and air preheating technology. This technology uses a high-temperature stainless steel-induced draft fan to recycle 80% of the high-temperature waste gas from the furnace, which is then mixed with the 1,000 to 1,300 degrees Celsius high-temperature air supplied by the burner. This mixture is used to heat the reactor. At the same time, 20% of the high-temperature exhaust gas is sent to a heat exchanger, which preheats the fresh combustion air for the furnace. These 2 technologies save 55% in energy consumption while significantly reducing exhaust emissions, easily meeting environmental standards, and lowering processing costs. Intelligent Reactor automatic temperature control technology. With a multi-medium combustion valve set and heat-air recirculation temperature control technology, the system automatically adjusts the fuel ratio based on varying fuel conditions. This achieves precise temperature control with an accuracy of ±10 degrees Celsius. The system can be started with 1 click, and during operation, no manual intervention is required. The high degree of automation makes the system simple to operate. BLL-30 provides the pyrolysis industry with a powerful and sustainable profit-driven force, combining stability, efficiency, intelligence, and environmental protection.